excellent and quality service. To our valued passengers and shippers, we guarantee full customer satisfaction. With great enthusiasm and far-reaching ambition, we are expert in containerization. Kokalyong Shipping Lines Incorporated. Passenger safety is always committed. Kokalyong Shipping Lines Incorporated, sustaining our competitive advantage. Kokalyong Shipping Lines, Kokalyong Shipping Lines, always in motion. Kokalyong Shipping, we serve the seas.
Tara, biyahe na ta!